student, it's that time of the year again. When students are worried about their board results and parents are having sleepless nights thinking what will happen to their kids' future. And the kind of questions everyone is asking, पास तो हो गया होगा और रिजल्ट्स आ गए, फिर कितने मार्क्स आए?
ओहो, सिर्फ 65% आए हैं। अब क्या करेगी आगे?
वाह, 95% आए हैं लड़के के। लाइफ सेट है तेरी।
तेरी बहन के 95% आए थे लास्ट ईयर। 73% कौन लेके आता है यार 10th के बोर्ड्स में?
Hey there everyone, I am Shivani and welcome back to my channel. So कुछ दिन पहले 10th के बोर्ड रिजल्ट्स आए and suddenly I was taken into my past and काफी पुरानी बात है. I gave my 10th boards in 2009 and अब एज मत कैलकुलेट करने लग जाना प्लीज. Not that I'm not proud of it, but anyway, so I just wanted to talk about how were my board results, what were my emotions, and the most important questions: are board results really important, and how much do they really impact our life? So all this and more in today's video. Let's get going. I scored 89% in 10th standard and 79% in 12th. And I remember 10th ke results ke baad I was talking to mama over the phone and I cried my eyes out. Now the thing is, I was never the topper kind and I used to come first when I was in 6th standard. But फिर मैं दिल्ली आ गई और मेरा bubble burst हो गया. But I was always a sincere kid. And let me put it this way, like as a student, मेरी जिंदगी का इकलौता मकसद सिर्फ अच्छे मार्क्स लाना नहीं था. But I was a hard-working kid. So like I would get up at 5 in the morning to study when I was like in 3rd standard. Yeah, that kind. And also my parents are super chill. Like they never forced me to sort of outshine others, but they always wanted me to do my best. So maybe I cried firstly because I had really worked hard a lot, and secondly because of all the pressure that was created by our teachers from the school or the coaching center that I used to attend, and society in general, I believe, because बोर्ड्स का ना एक हवा बना रखा है एंड किड्स आर सपोज टू एक्सेल एंड किड्स आर सपोज टू गेट 90%. And to be honest, Fatah, my board results in any way has not impacted my life much, and the only thing that my 10th mark sheet does now is act as my birth certificate. Now I won't say that your marks or board results are not important at all, because then I'll be lying. However, at the same time, I won't even say that your board result is the single most important deciding factor of how your career or your life is going to be, because then I'll be lying again. The truth, the absolute truth, lies somewhere in between. Yes, your board results are important, but they are not as important as how your parents or teachers or the society in general makes it out to be. So how it really works is that if you get good marks in 10th standard, then you will be able to choose the stream of your choice in 11th and 12th. And then if you get good marks in 12th standard, you will be able to apply to get to your dream college, where you will study, interact and network with like-minded people. It will increase your self-confidence and also give you a good push to your career. But that is all, because almost a decade after giving my boards, I now know that there are so many other things that are much more important than marks to succeed and be happy in life. Actually the thing is ना कि हमारा जो education system है, it's based a lot on mugging things or learning things by heart and then just puking it out in the answer sheet, और उस चीज के लिए फिर सबको marks भी मिलते हैं. Somehow our education system has never pushed or focused on learning things and finding the logic behind it, that how it has happened, why is it happening, or we've never tried to make learning as a fun activity or actually teach things that are important as a life skill. For example, there are so many things I wish I was taught in school or in college. For example, personal finance. How do I manage my taxes? How to promote sustainable living? How to practice mindfulness? How to be more self-aware about myself? How to work on my emotional intelligence, my creative or logical thinking? Nothing of that sort. One of my all-time favorite quotes is, if we judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will spend its entire life thinking it's stupid. I know it's very sad, but it's reflective of how our education system or how our society in general thinks of students. Every student is differently skilled, and everyone should be celebrated for all those great things. I strongly believe that each one of us are differently skilled. We have different talents and there are different interests. So if let's say a student is not good in chemistry or maths, it's okay. Maybe that student is great at swimming or playing a guitar or anything else. Maybe that person likes to dance much more than studying. Some people are great with hand-eye coordination, some have good stamina, some people have mental stability, they don't let the situations control them, and some are, let's say, just good with creative thinking. I think we as a society, we need to be more open and accepting of all those students and people who are good at things other than studying. It will have two benefits. First of all, think of the kid. She will feel less pressured, she'll feel more encouraged, and it will also boost her self-confidence. That's one. And second thing, she might actually work on those skills and make a career out of it. So imagine one more person in the world who loves their job. Wouldn't that be great? Now there's a possibility that you're an average kid and you don't have that one skill that you're great at, or you've not found your passion yet, a passion that you would want to follow all your life, and that's completely fine. I can understand because I was that kid. I was average at studies, I was okay at singing, I was okay at dancing, and to be very honest, my life has so far turned out to be completely fine. And I think that's majorly because I believe that life is not a race, it's not a competition, it's just a beautiful journey that everyone is allowed to, everyone should live on their pace, because there is no such thing as right timing. And I think with time I have kept on finding new passion and new things that I want to pursue. For example, this creating content, having a YouTube channel is something that I always thought of, but then 2 years ago I actually made it into a reality and I'm actually enjoying it right now. So all that we have to do in life as individuals is try to be a little bit better version of ourselves than we were yesterday, and I promise we'll be fine. So if you have scored well, then fantastic, congratulations, reward yourself and go find more ways to grow. But if you haven't scored great, if you are not happy with your results, then it's not the end of the world, I promise you. Take it as a lesson, try to work on all those things that you could have done better, learn from it, and then just move on. And please understand that your marks are not connected to your self-worth. You, my friend, are so much more than your marks. And do not think that someone who got more marks than you is necessarily smarter or more intelligent than you, or is definitely going to have a good life because of it. And you know what's the best thing? It's the fact that you guys are so young, that you have so much time and energy to figure out things in life, to see what's really important to you, to work in that direction and have a life of your dreams. This is just the beginning and you have so much more to achieve. So please believe in yourself and never forget that each one of you has the power to change the world. And that's all for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. And you guys know the drill. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of it. Did you think whatever I said made sense? Did not make sense to you? Also, if you found it useful, please share with all the students who need it at this moment of time. They need that push, that level of encouragement that board results are not really that big of a deal. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay notified. And I'll see you soon in another video. Until then, do whatever makes you happy. Bye bye.